Hi! In front of me is Honor 50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups, and when you're ready, choose Home button. Then go into Settings and tap on Apps section over here. Now you need to select Default Apps and tap on Home app. Now select iOS Launcher by clicking on it and tap on Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android. But you can always just switch between them by going into the same app settings and choosing Honor app or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!